Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the vacancy released by Damodar Valley Corporation. So let's start the video. Friends, Damodar Valley Corporation is a PSU company. Their head office is in Kolkata. So they have released the recruitment notification for the post of Executive Trainee Finance. So as you can see the table on your screen, there is a vacancy for Executive Trainee Finance. There are total 7 vacancies, out of which 5 vacancies are for unreserved category candidate and rest are for reserve category candidate, and your pay scale will be 56,100 to 1,77,500 in the pay matrix level 10 of 7th CPC. You will be in M2 grade, that is management grade, and the upper age limit as on the closing date of online application for unreserved category candidate is 29 years. So by this date you should be 29 years or less, then only eligible. Now eligibility criteria. Friends, here the essential qualification asked is graduate along with a CA degree or a CMA degree or a MBA finance degree or PG executive degree. Here they have mentioned at least 2 years full time. So your PG or MBA finance degree should be full time in finance domain with not less than 65% marks for general, OBC and EWS category and 60% for SC/ST category. Here friends, one clarity is missing, that whether this 65% is for CA/CMA also or just for master's degree or MBA degree. So what I feel that this 65% criteria is for your MBA degree or PG degree and not for CA/CMA degree, else there will not be any application for CA/CMA category candidates. Now selection process, very important. Friends, eligible candidate will undergo a computer based test, and based on merit, list of successful candidate for document verification will be made available on the website of the company. So your computer based test will be of objective type and 2 hours duration is provided, and it will consist of 2 parts for executive trainee finance. Your part 1 will consist of executive aptitude test, that is basically a non-technical part. Here they will ask questions on vocabulary, verbal comprehension, quantitative aptitude, reasoning ability, data sufficiency and interpretation, etc. So reasoning, maths, English and GK questions will be from this part, and your second part will consist of professional knowledge, that is basically your technical syllabus and will be specific from your respective discipline. And qualifying criteria in computer based test is that for executive trainee finance, general, OBC or EWS category candidate is that you need to score at least 50% total marks in each part. So basically you need to score 50% marks in part 1 as well as part 2 to qualify for the further round, and based on your written test you will be shortlisted for document verification. There will not be any interview, so selection purely based on your written test. Now application fee. Friends, candidate belonging to general, OBC and EWS category candidate are required to pay an application fee of ₹300 through online mode only, and candidate belonging to SC, ST, PWBD, ex-serviceman category and DVC departmental candidate are exempt from making payment of application fee. Now compensation package, as I already mentioned, that selected candidate will be placed in the pay scale of 56,100 to 1,77,500, and you will get this pay scale after your probation period is over. And apart from the basic pay, you will be eligible for all the allowances, perks and perquisites of the company as per their policies. Now very important, service bond. Friends, here they have mentioned that you need to execute a service bond to serve the company for at least 3 years. So that is overall 4 years is required to be served in the company, including 1 year of probation period. And in case you leave the company in between, then you need to pay a service bond amount of 5 lakh for general, OBC and EWS category candidate and 2.5 lakh for SC/ST category candidates, plus applicable interest. What is the rate of interest and all, that is not mentioned here. Then general terms and conditions are mentioned, you can check them in detail. Now how to apply? Friends, you have to apply through online mode only by visiting website of the company under career section. All details are mentioned in the notification, and step-by-step process to fill up this application form also mentioned. Now important dates. Friend, online application are already started from 18th July 2024, and last date of making online application is 7th August 2024. So by this date you is required to submit your online application and have to make your application fee also, and availability of admit card etc. will be notified by them on their website only. And in case any technical issue you are facing, you can contact them at the mentioned phone number as well as email address. And in case you have any query with regards to your eligibility query, then you can contact them on the mentioned phone number here. So basically, if you have a doubt whether you will be eligible for this or not, then you can give a call to them and clear your doubts. You can call them and ask whether this 65% requirement is for MBA and PG candidate only or CA CMA also. So if you are having doubt, but I doubt that 65% is for CA or CMA. So that's all, friend. If you are meeting the eligibility criteria, then do fill up this application form, and we at Finance MCQ will help you to prepare for your technical as well as non-technical part of your examination, and we'll upload a practice course for this examination. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end.